guys, welcome back to another banger. Today we're currently heading to Clean Culture. We're about like 34 minutes out. Fuck my ear. Oh. Anyways, before I get started, zoom in real quick. Y'all see that, right? What it says right there? LA Dodgers, right? Yeah, y'all Yankees out. Anyways, we headed to the Wawa real quick. We're gonna meet up with a couple other people over there, and then we're gonna the roll-ins to the show is at 10. We get that at 9:30, so we're gonna have like 30 minutes to chill, vlog a couple of the cars that's around there. But I may update y'all whenever we get there. Okay, we just pulled up to the Wawa. They got a couple of cars. They leaving to the show. Still waiting for my boys to pull up. So I'm like, man. I need to grab another one. Alright, so we just made it here to the spot. We about to go in right now. They got some drifting going on right now. Oh, shit. Oh man. Wait, hold up, is that? Famous people up in here too. But yeah. Sorry guys. But yeah, let's get the tickets real quick. Go inside, park up, and let's see what they're gonna put us at. And then we're gonna up there and show y'all a couple of the cars. They got some fire ass wheels in here. Alright guys, so we just got into the show. There's a lot of people here, like a lot. There's still more people rolling in. We're just trying to see how they're gonna park us up. Like, still mad people in this jump. Let me just wait until they park us up real quick. See how the alignment's gonna be, and we're gonna take a little walk around. We're gonna show a couple of the drifting and everything. But I'm gonna update y'all whenever we park up. So we just parked up the cars. There's still a lot more people coming in. So this thing is packed. Like, mad cars. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little walk around soon. So let me just put the camera down, settle down, and before we start walking around. This thing is insane. Tilt though.
Calienta el carro, tú me tripeas, llega a la vuelta como un San Pedrano, chipea.
So clean. Oh, nice little setup. Samurai. We seen these parked up at the wall when we first arrived there. This BR's is crazy. That's what you was telling me to get, like a little hood prop. I need my engine bay. I need to freaking clean it up a little bit, add some carbon stuff. Body SRT. Wide body Hellcat? Big. Yeah. Oh, this is the one that I seen online. This the one I seen on Instagram. It has the full interior. It's all carbon fiber. Dang, that's huge. Full polish. Look at the interior. full carbon fiber. Literally, the whole entire interior is all carbon fiber. Let's go. Little Marty's car. Gotta find it because I'm trying to go shoot it before the end of the season. He's set on the wheels too. It's the one that was. I missed it when he went on the track. At the last show we went to. I think he did like 13 seconds left on for Stan's car.
All the way home from your house?
A couple of the cars, they got way more Johns here than last time. More of the black guys popped out. We seen that one on that show too. That truck is huge. I got scared when that dome came in. I felt like I was about to get ran over. Whew, look at this. I'm not a fan of Teslas, but this thing is clean. That setup. It's clean. This thing is clean. I'm not even a fan of Tesla, but sometimes gotta give props for this. That's 13.5. On it. Go the other way. That's what a YouTuber for. Jesus Christ. Wide body 400Z? Sheesh. I know. I wanted to see them. Yeah.
Yeah? Hold on, let me get you in there. So we just pulled up on a fellow content creator right here.
Going
What's your
on,
YouTube, bro?
Exclusive builds.
Got you.
Got the bag blue TSX over there with the 17 Accord front.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go over there and check it out.
All right.
See you around, man.
See you around. What's your Jones? I'll plug it up on this
I got
one
a 17 scat pack.
17 scat pack?
Yeah, it's in the front.
The front?
Yep.
I'll check it out when I haven't been over there yet.
All right.
TBI. That's a GLI. Good. And can somebody buy my wheels so I can buy some new ones and get this type of fitment, man? I need that fitment. This thing looks so good too. I seen that one at the mall once, so it looks really good. Little Tulsa TDI. Yeah, Patel came out. This thing is insane. The tilt on that. The wheels are crazy too. They really got some fire ass cars in this job. I'm gonna go a little bit. I'm gonna go around and see what drift cars they got. Chris, this could have been you if you would have never sold the hatch, man. But it's all good because you got a right-hand drive. That's 13 now. This 300ZX is so clean. See these pebble wheels? Oh, good. Amazing. This thing is crazy. I want to do a shape engine bay on my car and do like a little turbo setup. Something simple. I'm not gonna run no crazy power because I'm not even gonna be able to grip with the camber. This thing looks so good. Me too. Static roller. And Bryce. He got stuck on the coming in this joint. Right at the gate, he got stuck. able to see this car in person. I always see it online. This thing is so clean. Jaw's clean, bro. It's like, I always see it online. This is the first time I ever see it in person. So good. But I'm gonna try to go up there real quick, get some content of them drifting. So let me go up there real quick, get some footage for y'all. I was gonna walk up to see the drifting, but I just noticed they got the pits over here with all the the drifters and stuff. And I noticed Jimmy Oaks is here, so I'm trying to see if I can find him. But different, he's right there. I'll go over there and let me just walk around and see a couple of different girls real quick. Came over here, So got a new battery. They just started qualifying drifting, so I might go over there real quick. So matter of fact, honey, should we wanna go up there so we can see the let's go up there so we can see the top. Let me go up there real quick and I'm gonna get some footage from the top.
This is a competition on the cart course here on the other side of the beautiful Raceway Park. So we're currently sitting in the stands facing the wrong way watching this drift go on. These rules are much more relaxed than our typical gambler.
So they're doing low car limbo. Debating if I should try to at least do my car this time again. I don't know. Last time I lost through a fin, but it's because I started a little too late. But I think I should be able to go through with it. Let me see. Nah, it's pretty low already. I'm not even gonna try it. I'm just gonna record people doing it. So, be honest.
Slowing down for what? Bullshit. Come on. Yeah, he's gonna lose because homeboy's forehead. Drive smooth as hell. Easy though. 35 miles an hour, relax. Alright, put it all the way down. Is that all we got? That's it? No, that's it. We need a new system. That shit hard though. Yeah, right? Thanks for driving through. That shit's fire. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What I told you, you better find a fat friend. Ooh, you're still good. You better watch out, little man. Alright, there y'all go. Y'all good. Y'all good. Alright, lower it a little bit. Y'all lowered it. Alright, there it is.
I didn't know you were there.
Why'd you lift it? He was gonna make it. Stop fucking lifting it. They hit it, they hit it. It's part of the game. Come on now. Fucking rookie. That's their car, not mine. Look, not my problem. Careful, you touch that joint, you out. See, motherfucker's coming out the woodworks now. Here we go. Leave it, don't. If it hits, it hits. Uh-oh. You go, you go, you go. Oh.
Dale, nano, dale.
You might still have it. Hang on. Hold on. Oh yeah, you good. Oh, it just touched a little bit.
I saw them lower.
Lowered it when he after him. How the hell did you get in front of him? Now only driving in a circle. How y'all mess this up? Uh-oh. Oh, damn. They hit it? Oh, all right, fire. Y'all got one more? I'll get on the passenger seat next time. We're good for like at least 3 more rounds. Man, y'all doing too much. You don't even need to do all that. Better watch them big ass kneecaps. You higher than the roof. Your whole belly button higher than the roof. Figure it out. Come on, OG. Oh, that should get low. You better watch that big ass belly button, dog. You got one of them Audi Johns. That shit's ugly. Watch out. Oh. I'm fat, I can talk shit. Come on. Hey, you got somebody on your car when you need it. Move your ass. Hey, you better find somebody fat. Where's Somebody fat, somebody big. Give me a big boy. He hitting fat. You gotta turn the music down to get lower. Come on. Don't be looking at that shit. Move your ass. You got like 3 more inches. Pause. Hey, that's a lie. That's a lie. He's on Instagram. Bullshit. He's worried about it.
Cruising by. You feel me? Welcome in, everybody.
I think it's GT's for the Accord though.
Yeah, la fama se pone. Hey. Antes de 2002 tengo una Glock con un chip. No dice que no, que quiere. Vamos a matar. Yo soy la para de este movimiento. Una 30 en el sistema, me pone violento. Gatillero que se tira, se pone contento. Tengo cuarto para gastar, y en que tú estás, tú no te buscas. Ratón, un cuero malo, culo grande, cero condón, con un líquido morado.
Yo, I need a big boy. I need a big boy. What a big boy is that? Somebody over 250. Don't be afraid to eat that. Yeah, be fast and boy. I need over. Are you over 250? All right, bet. Get in there. I'm over is crazy. The door don't work or what? It's crazy today. Y'all got that now. Come on. Easy. Yeah, you gotta get off, bro. You're good. It's cold in the room. You're good. Right, there you go. You're good. You gotta put him in the truck. I know. Let's see.
Watch
You
that
got like
forehead.
an inch and a half, 2 inches, which is still a lot, right?
You're not even slowing down.
He ain't worried about it. If anything, he's gonna rip the stick out your hands. All right, lower it again like an inch. Might be GG's, my boy. Hold on, go slow. All right, you good there? Let's see if the wing clears on it. The wing's your problem. Hold on. Oh, you good? All right, tell 250 to get out. We need a 300 next round. Going on the wing. All right, we got it? I think so. Let's see. You're gonna have to take that girl out of that so you can get a fat boy. Oh, here we go. Does he need somebody bigger yet? Nope. I got $5 who he wins. Anybody got $5 against that? Put him on your lap. All Diddy, fuck it. Oh, there goes. The belly slide was fucking nuts. Hey, you better suck your ass in. Yeah, you better squeeze them Jones. All right, you go. Oh, hold on. Stay right there. Stop. Does the trunk open? You need somebody big real quick. Hold on. We got anybody bigger than him?
I'm 300 pounds, by the way.
You're 300? Yeah. You feel like a fucking prick. 800's nuts. Yeah, I think that's it for you, my boy. You're right there. But if you got somebody lower, you're gonna have to like put somebody here on the back. I don't know, but you ain't making it right there. Looking cooked, I know. This is fucking high.
Take out the air from your tires.
Take the air out the quick. That's great. That's it. GG's. Everybody give it up for my man in the Corvette real quick. Round of applause. Round of applause. Let's see if you got it. Let's see if you got it. Slow. Go slow. Come on. Go slow. Come on. You can make it. You can make it. Yeah. On the front. God damn.
Yeah, he got it. Got it. Got it.
Hey, the passenger, we can't do the pretty chick no more. I gotta be a fat guy now. She ain't cutting it. You ain't fucking cutting it either, but it's your car. You gotta be do something to do something around this motherfucker. Come on. He still ain't worried about it. Nuts. Crazy. Gonna need a fatter driver. Damn, that's a bad one. Yeah, big bro. What do you weigh, bro? What? Pause. Alright, come on, let's get through this. Let's see. Now we're gonna put somebody on the hood, the trunk, whatever. Now my car, no problem. Come on, man. Alright, hold on. Alright, yo, give me somebody, get your big ass on the back of here. Come on. Are you okay if it's on the back of the trunk? Alright, get your ass on the front. Don't worry, his big ass is gonna level the whole frame of the car. Yeah. Alright, I need somebody else bigger on the back.
Oliver, come here.
My man in the Yankee hat could have been in this bitch, this whole car would have been good to go. Big boy's winning out here. Come on, get your big ass up there, come on. You're gonna hold the length of the whole car though. There you go, good. Goddamn. All you gotta do is get the window past. Ready? I got you. Ready? Here. Yeah, we're in there, go. You the big boy, you let me know. Alright, stop. You get big boy, dog. Don't go down at all. Washers. That's it. We can bend the washers. You fucking idiot. Everybody give it up for my man in the Miata. Let's see it. You better dump that shit. GG's. Just gotta make it through that shit. What are you gonna do again? Alright, Arrow, you good?
Oh my
You
God.
might get a trophy, dog. Hold you. Hey, good shit. You better find 10 fat. This guy just fucked the whole game up. Alright, bro. Another Miata just came and aired out. Come on, pull up. We gotta make it work. Alright. Stop right there. Go a little bit more. Come on. We're trying to really help you here. Stay up that mess, nigga. What the fuck you gonna see? Move. Come on a little bit. Come on. Alright. Stay right there. Goddamn. Man, put the street down, bro. You got a problem? Shit. Easy on the hood. Alright, hold on. Give me somebody else big. Come on, get over here.
Oh yeah.
Move your legs. Move your legs over there. Oh yeah, you get the fuck out.
Lay in the bag.
We in there now. Are we still making it or no?
Bounce.
I've never seen the Miata identify as a cargo vehicle.
Alright, come on, hold on. Stop right there. Give me somebody else big on the door. Get your ass over here. Come here. Come on. Right here. We got this. Oh, yeah. One more on that door. Hey, get your big ass on the door. Come on. We're gonna make my man get in there. We ain't gonna let the air win. There you go. Come on. We got it. No! Oh, you fucked us. Everybody give it up, my man in the Miata. That's crazy. The one guy just came in one round. Where the fuck is he, though?
Gotta do it again.
That's crazy as fuck. That shit is low. Oh, you fucking hit too. But you by yourself and didn't have to have 11 people, so I'm gonna give it to you. Everybody give it up for our winner of the fucking low car limbo right here. I don't know what he just did to the exterior of those fenders, but that's his problem. Alright, yo. Right now, two-step competition, same shit.
So the bag Miata came and did one round and ended up winning the low car limbo. But they about to start doing two-step right now, two-step competition. So, I mean, see what they're gonna do. We're gonna do that and get some footage for y'all guys. So.
One more time, we got a couple more people. This time I need y'all to be interactive, alright? So use y'all voices. I know y'all girls be complaining your man's all loud, but don't be fucking being quiet here, alright? So I'm gonna have one car, shut your dumb ass up! So I'm gonna have one car go over here. I'm gonna have one car go over here. They're gonna go together, and then y'all gonna vote for who y'all fuck with the most. Y'all got that? Sick, that was 7 of you. Appreciate it. Alright, yo, let me get a fucking G. What are you doing on your phone? So you're 9-1? Is it gonna be 10-1 right now? Gonna find out? Alright, fuck it, run it up. Y'all ready back there? Y'all are fucking. Y'all are tripping. Anybody back there? Crazy. Only covering one ear and shit, y'all are fucking different, all y'all. Alright, on the count of 3, I want to hear these shits together. Let's see if you're gonna go 9-2 or you're gonna go 10-1. 1, 2, 3. Yo, back up, back up. Don't be getting in the middle out here. Man, that shit ain't on fire. Come on now. Y'all hyping it up for the win. All right, y'all. Y'all fucking the Z, make some noise. All right, and if y'all fucking the Mark 4, make some noise. GG's, my boy. 10-1 it is. That man came up here for a good time. All right, you ready? That's it? That's all you got for me? Good for you. At least you came up here. Let me hear the fucking Mark 4. Alright, on the count of 3, I want to hear them together. Something tells me we ain't going to hear this one, but 1, 2, 1 supporter, that's because our jacket's fucking purple, that's all. If y'all fucking the Mark 4, make some noise. There we go. Alright, get your ass fucking back here. Get in there. You're good. If these were Pokemon, this is what this shit evolves into. You know what I'm saying? Like it starts as this, like this is Pikachu, this Raichu's that gym. Let me hear this one. Back up back there. Uh-oh. It's like when you give your little brother the controller, but it's not plugged in. You know what I'm saying?
He likes Smash.
All right, on the count of 3, I want to hear them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This competition twice, he backed out once, this time he finally made it. You actually scared me. Go around, bring your ass here. There you go. Are you scared now? A little bit. I don't know if it's because you're scared or Asian, but you know what I'm saying? Alright, right there. Alright, Ron, you got something for us? You got something for him? Alright, Ralph, let's get it, come on! How much power does he make? How much power do you make? 700, so if y'all catch him in the streets, fuck it up. Alright, man, let me hit a Mark 4 with it. Alright, do I got anybody else back there? Nobody? I don't got nobody else in the crowd that thinks they can fuck this Mark 4 up? Alright, on the count of 3, I want to hear these all go together one time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is for the win of the New Jersey Show 2024. If y'all fuck with Ralph, make some fucking noise. And if y'all fucking the Mark 4, make some noise. Y'all weak as fuck, and this is what we're gonna do, because I just seen some of y'all cheering for both. Like I said, if y'all like him, fuck him. Alright? If y'all like him, fuck him. Alright, so if you want him to win, make some noise. Oh, that ain't good. And if you want the Mark 4 to win, make some noise. Alright, Ralph. Everybody give it up for Ralph for coming up here one time. Put your ass in there. Don't be fucking scared next time, Ralph. Put your ass. Be careful. I don't know why, but I heard you drive.
Alright guys, that's a wrap for the video. About to head out right now. why I keep leaking on my passenger side. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna see you on the next one.